10 baking soda tricks and uses every woman and man should know. Many of us think of baking soda as just an ingredient for baking or something that helps to keep your refrigerator odors-free. But baking soda is incredibly good for your health and your entire home too. Let's take a look at 10 baking soda's super impressive uses. Number 1. Hand softener. To scrub away dirt and odors, mix baking soda with warm water and rub it in your hands. This natural hand cleanser will leave your hands clean and soft. Number 2. Food soother. Create your own food bath with a tablespoon of baking soda and warm water. This baking soda bath will remove bacteria and odors and can help to prevent toenail fungus. Number 3. Hair cleanser. Simply add a teaspoon of baking soda to your shampoo, rub it into your hair and rinse as usual. Baking soda shampoo is ultra clarifying, so it's a great way to remove dirt and oil as well as residue that is left over from hair products. Number 4. Homemade toothpaste. Baking soda toothpaste is a great way to improve dental health. Baking soda is known to increase plaque removal. Straight baking soda has abrasive qualities and over time it may wear away enamel. Instead, to keep fresh breath, you can add baking soda to your toothpaste, make your own homemade toothpaste, or just dip your toothbrush in baking soda a few times a week. Number 5. Exercise enhancer. Baking soda benefits can carry over to your exercise routine too. Soaking in a warm water with a half cup of baking soda added is said to help neutralize lactic acid buildup in the muscles after a workout. Some studies also point towards its internal use to reduce fatigue post-workout. It also may enhance athletic performance when consumed prior to physical activity. Number 6. Fire extinguisher. If you experience a minor grease fire in your kitchen, you can use baking soda to extinguish it. Pouring baking soda on a small pan, fire should stifle the flames quickly. Number 7. Closet freshener. To freshen your closet, place a box or cup of baking soda inside. Periodically, change the baking soda to keep your closet smelling fresh and clean. Number 8. Carpet cleaner. Many carpet cleaners include chemicals that can be harmful to your pets or children. So use baking soda to give your carpet a good cleaning and neutralize odors. Sprinkle your carpet with baking soda, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes and then vacuum. Number 9. Improve kidney function. As an alkaline substance, baking soda buffers acid in the body and helps to keep pH levels balanced. Low-functioning kidneys have a hard time removing acid from the body, so consuming baking soda can help with just that and may slow the progress of chronic kidney disease. Number 10. Itchy skin relief. Baking soda can help to reduce discomfort from sunburn, allergic rashes, and skin affected by poison ivy or poison oak. Mix a teaspoon with some water to create a baking soda paste and apply it to the affected areas. Leave it on for several minutes and then rinse. You can do this a few times per day as needed. If you want to know other impressive uses of baking soda, please check our playlist Baking Soda Topic. Also write us in the comments below. If you like our video, give this a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you never miss any of our upcoming informative videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.